Okay, so this is going to be a super simple tutorial on how to upload a video to YouTube. So obviously the first thing you need to do is sign into your YouTube and make sure you're in your correct channel that you're going to be uploading your video to. And you're going to go over to this icon here. Now this is the easiest way that I've found to upload videos straight into your channel. All right, so you go ahead and click on that. And it's going to say upload video, or you have the option to go live. We're going to upload a video. You can drag and drop from your folder directly into this, or you can go to select files. And I'm going to go ahead and select a file. All right, so I went ahead and selected multiple files actually. And once you hit OK or select in the option when you're choosing your files, this is the screen that pops up, and you can see over here that the uploading is occurring. You also have a screen down here that pops up that shows you where you're at in your queue. And I did multiple files just so that you can see this, because I had multiple files ready to go. And as you can see, there was nothing in my channel content. This is all the first videos that I've done that I'm uploading. I had to get the upload video going before I could upload them, so that is why there's multiple files in the queue. Alright, so once all your videos are uploaded, you're going to see that they are processing to HD. Alright, and it actually gives you a time as to how much time it's expected to take to process to HD. But during this time, you'll see that the uploads are complete. You can go ahead and close that out if you want. And you can start inputting your content or your descriptions and stuff for your video in. As you can see, the visibility is a draft because you have not gone through and added any of the information that's required. And once this changes to published or whatever, that means your video is on the platform. It's viewable depending on your settings, and we will discuss the settings shortly. I like to go ahead and let these process to HD, let them complete. As you can see, this one is done uploading. It's going to say restrictions. If you have restrictions like a copyright problem or whatever, it's going to notify you here. See how this one's checking? We're going to go ahead and let this run for a little bit. And I'll fast forward so that you can watch this process a little bit quicker. All right, we're not going to wait for this one small video to process. It's doing a check as far as restrictions, probably because the title is Google Keyword Planner, so they're probably real strict on anything that's mentioning Google. Oh, there it goes. It finally completed. All right, so it looks like everything's done. There's no restrictions on any of my videos as far as copyright or any other restrictions. You can go in and learn more right here by hovering over that and clicking on learn more. If there are restrictions, you cannot monetize your channel, or at least not monetize that video. So that's something to look into if monetization is one of your goals. And basically I wanted to show you this content dashboard, which is also considered your studio, for basic uploads. We'll go ahead and get started on looking at some of the features within the videos themselves when you go to edit your drafts. So stay tuned.